Hey everyone, in this video we will review Servicetitan. Servicetitan is a powerful software built mainly for larger home service businesses like HVAC, plumbing, and electrical companies. It is designed to help growing teams manage everything from dispatching and scheduling to sales and reporting. Its strength is how well it keeps track of performance for the business and technicians. You can see how much revenue each stack brings in, how jobs are progressing, and where improvements are needed. It also includes built-in marketing tools to help you get more trackable campaigns results. The mobile app is strong too, letting techs in field access job details, collect payments, and even generate estimates. It offers features like call recording, customer history, which help office staff stay connected with the field. It also syncs with QuickBooks and other tools to keep your finances in order. However, the platform is more complex than others and may take time to learn. It's one of the pricier options, which makes it better suited for businesses ready to scale. If you need deep insights and strong automations, it's a great fit. But for small teams or beginners, it might feel like too much. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.